If you want to make your edits feel more energetic and professional, adding a white flash effect in CapCut is one of the easiest tricks you can use. It's perfect for matching beat drops, creating smooth scene changes, or just giving your video a more stylish, high-impact look. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a white flash effect in CapCut step by step, and I'll keep it quick, simple, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open CapCut and make sure your clips are already placed on the timeline. This is really important because the flash effect needs to go between two clips, so arrange your footage with no gaps in between. If there's empty space on the timeline, the transition won't work properly the way you want it to. So before adding anything, line up your clips neatly one after another. Once your clips are ready, go to the top of the interface and click on the Transitions tab. CapCut has a bunch of transition styles, but for this effect, you want to search for Flash or look inside the Light Effects category. These are usually where you'll find the white flash style transitions that work best for fast cuts and dramatic edits. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to make it faster. After you find the flash effect you want, click on it. If this is your first time using it, CapCut may ask you to download the effect first. Just let it download and then you'll be ready to use it. Now drag and drop the flash transition right in between your two clips on the timeline. Make sure it lands exactly between them because placement matters. If it's not centered correctly, the effect may not look smooth. Now that the effect is in place, it's time to adjust the timing. Click on the transition in your timeline and you'll see the edges that you can drag. If you want a really quick flash, shorten the transition so it happens fast and clean. If you want a softer, more noticeable flash, make it a little longer. The timing makes a big difference, so test it out and see what fits your video style best. You can also preview the edit to see how it looks before exporting. If the flash hits too hard, go back and make it shorter. If it feels too subtle, extend it a little. This is one of those effects that looks best when it matches the rhythm of your video, so don't be afraid to experiment until it feels right. And that's it. That's how you add a white flash effect in CapCut in just a few simple steps. You place your clips on the timeline, find the flash transition, drop it between the clips, and adjust the timing until it looks perfect. It's a small edit, but it can make a huge difference in how polished your final video feels. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.